2025 has emerged as a turning point for the crypto industry, not just because of rising prices or market recovery, but because of deep technological and infrastructural advancements that are reshaping how people interact with blockchain networks. Before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest crypto trends and insights. The year started with one of the most awaited developments in crypto history, the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States. This marked a milestone where Bitcoin was no longer treated as a fringe asset. Institutions like BlackRock, Fidelity, and ARK Invest poured billions into newly launched ETFs, bringing Bitcoin into retirement accounts, hedge fund portfolios, and traditional financial products. The legitimacy that came with these approvals helped shift the perception of crypto from speculative gamble to a serious regulated asset class. This wasn't just about Bitcoin prices rising. It was about crypto finally entering mainstream finance through the front door. Following this financial legitimization, Ethereum's ecosystem introduced a new form of innovation that took center stage: restaking. With protocols like EigenLayer, users were now able to restake their ETH to secure multiple decentralized services beyond Ethereum's base layer. This concept transformed ETH into more than just a utility token. It became a multi-layered security asset, powering a new generation of decentralized applications. Restaking opened up a new economic layer on Ethereum, allowing protocols to bootstrap trust using Ethereum's existing validator set, while stakers earned yield from multiple sources. It created an entirely new category within DeFi, drawing billions in total value locked and signaling the next evolution in staking economics. As Ethereum and its broader ecosystem advanced, the infrastructure supporting it became smarter and more efficient through the rise of modular blockchains. This year, the shift from monolithic to modular design reached maturity. Instead of building one blockchain that tries to handle everything, consensus, execution, and data, projects began separating these layers. Celestia, EigenDA, and Polygon's modular SDKs allowed developers to build scalable, purpose-specific chains without sacrificing decentralization or security. This approach drastically improved throughput and reduced costs, creating a future where chains could specialize like microservices in cloud computing. It laid the groundwork for a more flexible, interoperable, and scalable blockchain environment. At the same time, real-world utility began to take shape in a way the industry has been promising for years. One of the most impactful trends of 2025 has been the rise of tokenized real-world assets. From U.S. treasuries and real estate to stocks and credit products, institutions are now using blockchain to digitize traditional financial instruments. Platforms like Ondo Finance, Backed.fi, and Franklin Templeton have onboarded billions in tokenized assets, allowing DeFi protocols to offer yield-bearing, regulatory-compliant products that actually represent something tangible. This convergence of TradFi and DeFi is no longer hypothetical. It's live, growing, and attracting capital that was never previously interested in crypto. Lastly, perhaps the most practical advancement from a user standpoint is account abstraction. Crypto wallets, once complicated and intimidating for new users, are finally evolving. In 2025, smart wallets are widely available that allow people to sign transactions without gas, recover their accounts without seed phrases, and execute complex actions in a single click. Platforms like Sol Wallet and Safe are making blockchain feel like modern Web 2 applications, intuitive, safe, and user-friendly. This leap in user experience is closing the gap between developers and the next billion users, especially in regions like Southeast Asia and Africa, where crypto adoption is surging thanks to mobile-first solutions. So, when we look at these 5 key advancements, the institutional legitimization through Bitcoin ETFs, the economic innovation of Ethereum restaking, the scalability of modular blockchains, the real-world integration via tokenized assets, and the usability revolution driven by account abstraction, it's clear that crypto in 2025 is no longer building in the shadows. It's out in the open, solving real problems, and evolving into the infrastructure layer for the future of finance and beyond. If you found these insights valuable, Don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment below to let me know which of these advancements excites you the most. As always, stay ahead of the curve by staying tuned for more updates. Catch you in the next video.